From the QA Archive. Introduction to QA. QA's contribution to success.
QA's contribution. The process of testing actually provides a cost-effective way of detecting defects. Once the defects are removed, the overall quality of the product is increased. Therefore, testing contributes to higher quality test objects. By testing in various stages of the SDLC, the quality of the test object can be directly assessed. Key decisions can be made at points in the SDLC based on the testing and its subsequent results. An example of this would be the decision to release or not. As we know, it is common for software and systems to be released that contain defects, which can ultimately cause failures. By using well-planned software testing processes and techniques, such defects and their associated failures can effectively be reduced.
Software testing can be applied to a software development lifecycle at various points, and its benefits and effect can vary, such as in the following examples. Requirements reviews. By involving software testers in requirement reviews can identify defects very early on in the software development lifecycle. This simple, yet effective use of software testing can potentially save a lot of time and money by preventing non-functioning or poor functioning software from being developed. Design reviews. Providing access to early design stages can not only help discover defects early on in the software development lifecycle, but also help the tester gain an understanding of the product. This knowledge can be used when thinking about how to test the product and highlight ideas for test cases, etc. During development. Having testers work closely with developers during the product's development can increase both the testers' and developers' understanding of the code and associated product. This understanding can be utilized to help reduce defects within the code and also lower the risk of incorrect test cases. Prior to release. By verifying and validating a software product prior to release, the detection of defects and their associated failures can be raised with the hope that they will be fixed prior to the product's release. Testing prior to release will also typically increase the likelihood of meeting any stakeholders' requirements for the software product.
End of lesson.
Don't forget to subscribe.